Hey, and welcome back. In today's video, we're talking about the best products from the Dollar Tree that aren't going to add to clutter to your home. I love the Dollar Tree as much as the next person, but what I found was a lot of the things I were buying was junk. Things that were just garbage. So I wasn't saving money, I was actually wasting money. But there are things that are amazing, and I have my top 10 that I'm going to share with you right now. The first thing I have to mention is their home improvement products. They have stepped up their game. The Dollar Tree paintbrushes used to be garbage. You'd be painting and hairs would be coming out and totally ruining whatever it is that you're painting, but now they're amazing quality. They're really equivalent to the paintbrushes you're going to find at the hardware store for $10 and up, but you're going to get them for just $1.25. And the same is for all of their tape, whether it's duct tape, masking tape, packing tape. All the tape products at the Dollar Tree are just as good of quality as the hardware store, so don't waste money anywhere else. I know this one's pretty obvious and it's a given, but why would we go anywhere else for cards or for like gift bags? I'm telling you, nothing else compares to the savings that you're gonna get at the Dollar Tree. I'm not a person who loves giving cards, greeting cards. I find that people just throw them in the trash anyways. But if you love giving or receiving greeting cards, the Dollar Tree is where you need to go. The selection is amazing. But gift bags, that's where I'm always going. Especially, they have like really cute ones. Give a bottle of wine in the holidays and put it inside this really cute little Santa sack. So many really cute gift bags for the holidays or any season, and you're gonna pay a fraction of the price than you would anywhere else. Definitely don't forget about the Dollar Tree if you're having a party as well. Everything from streamers to balloons to banners. So good, such a great price. But I think the best deal has got to be the helium balloon bouquets that they have at the front of the store. Already filled, just $1.25 for each balloon. You are going to pay 10 times more than this at a party store. You've got to go to the Dollar Tree if you want helium balloons. This one might seem strange, but I will not shop anywhere except the dollar store for photo frames, especially ones that I'm hanging on the wall for a couple of reasons. One, they look like they're expensive. They look like you would never know the difference between this and a $20 frame. But the real reason I love them so much, also they're $1.25, but that's not the real reason. They're so light. I love hanging photos using 3M strips, so I can do an entire gallery wall and know that these aren't going to fall off the wall because they're so light. Yes, they're cheap plastic, that's why they're light, but you would never ever know by looking at them. So an entire gallery wall can cost you like just a few dollars. Print out the pictures at home on your home computer, pop them in some dollar store frames, hang them on your wall, and in a few minutes, for under $30, you can have a huge gallery wall in your home. This is something you need to buy at the Dollar Tree. This next category I'm so excited about, and I hope to open your eyes just like my eyes were recently opened, and that is to their beauty products. In the past, I wouldn't have touched the Dollar Tree beauty products with a 10-foot pole. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, I don't want to put that anywhere on my body, but I started using their body wash. So good, you guys, so good. And a fraction of the price. It smells amazing. And then when I dipped my toe in the body wash waters, I decided to go and start trying their sheet masks. I have two teenage daughters who are all about sheet masks. It's like self spa day. These were $5 and up everywhere else. So I started getting them from the Dollar Tree. Amazing quality. They even have masks like Biore, name brand masks. They work so good for a fraction of the price. So if you love sheet masks, don't go anywhere else. Also, a lot of their claw clips, scrunchie, their hair brushes, amazing. Just as good as like a high-end beauty store product, right? You're paying $1.25, but my best find of all time are their beauty blenders. I was spending $20 on a beauty blender from Sephora. It is 100% exactly the same in every way as the one for $1.25 from the Dollar Tree. My daughters both use beauty blenders. We were going through so much money, and I know they're washable, but still, it's completely the same. You are going to save so much money buying these beauty products from the Dollar Tree. I definitely have to talk about the organizing bins at the Dollar Tree, but here is the truth. They're not great. They have some that I really love, like their locker style ones, but the majority of them are just too small to really do any macro organization of things. But their drawer dividers are where it's at. I am obsessed with the Dollar Tree's drawer dividers, especially the ones with the rubber in the bottom and the little feet. You are not going to find a better deal than this. They are really excellent quality and a fraction of the price that you're going to find anywhere else. And so while I love some of the organizing products at the Dollar Tree, I usually go other places except when it comes to drawer dividers. By far my favorite thing to buy from the Dollar Tree is their seasonal decor. I'm pretty much obsessed with it. My entire home is decorated, whether it's fall, spring, or Christmas. Almost everything is from the Dollar Tree. My favorite holiday decor from the Dollar Tree has got to be these picks with the little apples. Sometimes they have berries on them and different like greenery sprigs. Crazy pants. I have so many of these all over my home, but everything from their signs to their dishes to their, I don't know, garland, you're gonna find that all over my house because they are beautiful when put together in the right way. You would never know it's from the Dollar Tree, and I am saving so much money, but even more than that, it kind of feels like crafting because I get to put all of these little pieces together to make something really beautiful. Have you ever taken a look at the dishes at the Dollar Tree? You would be so impressed with their selection. And they have really big, deep bowls, which is what I love to buy. We have dish sets, but we often break the bowls or just don't have enough for our family. They've got really nice, and they're white, so they match my current dishes, but I'm able to add even more for just $1.25 each. I also saw buffalo plaid plates there, which are great for Christmas, and all of the chargers and plates that I have on my table for the holidays this year are from the Dollar Tree too. Seriously, if you need glasses or dishes, you can't do a better deal than the Dollar Tree. I'm pretty picky on my cleaning supplies. I generally stick to Mrs. Meyer's method or Blue Land when it comes to my cleaning supplies, but there are some that I use that are amazing that you can only get and should only get at the Dollar Tree. And the first is LA's Totally Awesome Multi-Purpose Cleaner. This is really good for that deep down clean. Soap scum, outdoor furniture. If you want to get some grime off, I don't know what's in here. It's probably not good for us, but it works. And it's only $1.25. And I also love Comet Bleach Powder for the bottom of my tub and shower and even grout. I just think it does a really good job. Add that with a scrub brush or a scrubby sponge, and you're gonna get rid of some real grime, and you're not gonna find this cheaper anywhere other than the Dollar Tree. And of course, the sponges. It's my go-to place. Whether it is, I love these Veleda scrub pads for my stove top, which it's white so it gets burnt on, and dishes. Hands down, the best deal anywhere you're gonna find Dollar Tree. I was so surprised by the selection of school supplies that they have, whether it's notebooks, pens, highlighters, pencils, really huge selection, crazy good prices, but I'm especially in love with these particular pens. I think they work so good, and you're getting 8 for $1.25. They last forever, and these are just one of my favorite buys from the Dollar Tree. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I have a problem with candy. I have a slight addiction. I shouldn't buy it, but I do. And where do I buy it from? The Dollar Tree, because holy smokers, their selection's insanity, and it's all name brand, and it's big sizes too, like this Whopper box, and all of these like huge, you're talking like movie theater size boxes of candy for $1.25. My favorite Twizzlers, these are $1.50, but these are 5 at the grocery store for my favorite pull and peel Twizzlers. I save so much money. So if we're going to the movies, we buy the candy from the Dollar Tree and I smuggle it in. But also, if we're having like a movie night here, we treat ourselves to some Dollar Tree candy and I keep it in the house in this little turntable and I eat it when I shouldn't. And this is why I'm having a problem with my weight. But you know what? I ain't mad about it. The Dollar Tree and their candy. Seriously. Not expired, name brand. Why would you buy it anywhere else? Let me know in the comments below what your favorite things are to buy from the Dollar Tree. Every time I go and discover something new, I get really excited about it because I'm saving so much money and it isn't just filling my home with junk. These are usable things that are just a really great deal. So I'm curious what your favorite things are. Put them in the comments so we can all check them out. And thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and like this video because guess what's coming? I have a huge giveaway coming, over $10,000 worth of prizes starting December 1st. Every day for 12 days, I'm giving away one of my favorite things, like I'm Oprah or Ellen or some lame YouTuber that just likes to do giveaways. So make sure you have to like follow me. You don't want to miss this, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. So I thought I would do a 10-week update. A few weeks ago, I posted the 10-week challenge and I told you my goal was to lose 10 pounds. I challenged you to do a goal with me. By the end of the year, we were gonna like do amazing things or whatevs. How's it going, Cass? I haven't done a lot of updates with you because it's going less than great over here. I was gung-ho the first week, I lost a pound. I fell off the wagon into some candy. I gained 2 pounds. This is hard. It's hard, but I keep telling myself every day is a new day. And as I was bringing all this candy over here, I was eating some Swedish berries. What's wrong with me? I don't know. I shouldn't have it in the house. I'm impulsive. I don't think. And so I'm really struggling to stay on track. I'm reading books about weight loss. I'm doing the new thing where I'm tracking my food. But I'm still, like, I don't even eat a ton of food. It's little, it's like death by 1,000 cookies. It's like a snack here, a treat here, a peppermint patty here. A couple hours later, it's a little nammy nab, it's just one little nammy nub, and then I'll like eat a healthy dinner and healthy lunch. None of that matters if I'm eating junk all day long. The solution should be I shouldn't buy it. Maybe that should be the solution. You're not my therapist, but here I am therapizing with you. I have issues, but I want to know in the comments below how you're doing. Let's be real with each other. Are you having success, whatever your 10-week goal was? Please let me know how you're doing. I'm going to get back. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. It might not be the whole 10 pounds, but I'm gonna move the needle in the right direction because I deserve this, right? Let me know what your goal was and how you're doing, and I'll see you guys next week.